If you don't vote, then there's no change.
The Senedd election's about to happen, and will you be voting?
I will be, yeah.
Yeah. And do you think it's important that people vote?
Yeah, I think it's important. I think if you want to see change and if you want things to be a certain way, you've got to be part of that.
Well, for a start, having a time and a place to express your voice is a hard one, right, especially for women.
If you don't vote, there's no, you don't have your say.
To someone who's saying, "Oh, I'm not going to vote, it'll never change," then what would you say to someone like that?
I think one vote can make the difference. If you stay home, you thought, "Oh, I might have gone out today and gone to vote," and then you regret it.
Yeah.
The more people communicate, the more they get together and the more they go out and express their opinion by using the vote, perhaps that will improve society, who knows.
Is it important for people to vote?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, people have died just for the privilege of doing it.